I can command all of them to go inside by speaking their language. Watch this.
If anybody knocks me upside this hay bale, I'm gonna eat that one.
Oh, is he going straight for it? Oh, wow. Oh, he's... Wesley!
Donkey Elizabeth DeVito, let go of your brother right this second. It's his birthday. Donkey DeVito, thank you.
Don't scare him.
These are all wild turkeys that showed up on our property.
We are in need of an emergency staff meeting. If you could all please join me over here in the conference room. Thank you kindly. Hi.
Patricia!